No mistrial for YNW MELLY. This is Montana White with ATL Mix Show. Hip Hop, Money, Power, and Politics. Y'all know what to do. Hit that subscribe button because the boy, he been sitting laughing and blowing kisses in court. Well, the judge just denied his motion for a mistrial because the prosecution put his ex-girlfriend's mother on the stand, right? And she proceeded to grill the mother of his ex-girlfriend. And she tried to make the mother make statements, right? But what the mother wouldn't do was make the statements. So the lawyer started reading what the mother had told the police, even though the mother was saying, I forgot, I can't remember. Now, they objected to this because the lawyer's intention, the prosecution's intention, was to put this information on record. Even though the woman was saying she can't remember, by the lawyer trying to read it out loud, that means the court stenographer would actually type it down or submit it to record, right? And this is against the rules because the mother has to say this, not take a statement from a police report, read it in court, and use this as evidence, right? Because things change. Anyway, the judge denied the motion for mistrial for the prosecution trying to intentionally mislead the jury. Now, this is a death penalty case, and the Murder on My Mind rapper sitting there got 2 murder charges. He been sitting in court blowing kisses and shit, doing the LeBron James. You feel me? The man, you know, if he get found guilty, he might go for insanity. Anyway, there's a lot of other legalese going on inside this situation. I don't even know if legalese is a word, how I'm trying to use it. But there are other lawyers that are chiming in on this situation, right? And, man, when you fighting for your life, you got to do what you got to do. You feel me? Now, not only is he fighting for his life, he's fighting for his life in front of the world. And the prosecution is trying to say this double homicide happened over money. They were going to sell the brand, merchandise it, you know, get a big check. But before that could happen, they fell out, had a fight. YNW MELLY got beat up, and then, you know, a couple days later, the next day, according to one of the victim's father, they turned up dead. You know what I'm talking about? So we just gonna see what's going on with this. We dipping in and dipping out. It's Monday. You feel me? This ATL Mix Show. So here goes some audio from the lawyer that's been tracking the case, man. He own it. He own it. I swear. He keep all the hip hop court cases in the media. He goes into the courtroom and he breaks it down for the average person to understand what's going on. Check this out.
The judge denied the mistrial. The judge did not go deep into his reasons for why, but bottom line, request for a mistrial denied by the judge in the MELLY trial. From here, I think this is a good thing. Why? I thought the trial was going well for MELLY, and so he didn't really want a mistrial. That being said, this is a death penalty case, and so if there's grounds to move for a mistrial, if somebody does something and you have the opportunity to move for a mistrial, you kind of have to do it. Now, the fact that the judge denied it means the trial will continue, which I think is going good for MELLY, and there will be the possibility of an appeal based on the fact that the judge didn't grant the mistrial. It's not a sure thing that that'll happen, but that is now also in play. Trial will resume in about 30-40 minutes. It looks like all of the jurors haven't shown up yet. They're waiting for one juror to show up, and as soon as that person shows up, hopefully in 30-40 minutes, who knows, we'll be back on here. The full trial is being live streamed. This is a direct live stream from the court on my YouTube with our new trial streaming network called Took It to Trial. On trial right now, State of Florida versus YNW MELLY, link in bio.